Kofi Oduro so de nsem bi aba efa abato hu. Prophet Kofi Oduro say edumre bi na ayese wo preaching na woka ahohia na say oyawa Ghana fo nemu ebo Ghana na ayese obo eye politics bi achi a na nipa bebre ente na se wo preaching we kro bitimi friend say send ya wo ye good preacher no wo sere na one diverting the preaching ni kaka na ayese ni wo preaching politics no won ja no preaching we ya eno de nipa kra beba na so dem wo se enye ne omo kakra no mti nemu esuni a abrebresa nipa nemu e wo Ghana hase na no aya na eye no ahoyira nti e na odi preaching we nyina enti obi amema eye NPP fofio makono enye obi aya nyankopon na etwe omasom empo no ko the whole world sesia the other countries no emani bi abeye ye president was so nti yenhwe anim eye danya Ghana ye besesa ne mama wo banso a wotima badada ne yem no wono so abetena Ghana konwa so na Ghana ya soma dwen na NPP fo de wo mu kodem be ye 26 years enye prison just e konwa no e ko position e be cheyi papa my anti prophet mra
I have seen, whilst we were coming, I have seen prominent MPs who have lost their seat. Then I can tell God is speaking. For almost 8 years, this voice has been screaming, and you feel like we are against you. And I look at the constituency. There have never been an NDC seat. There have been never. For the first time, it has happened. Hey, sister, I'm telling you. And you feel it's only MPP who are losing. NDC seats I have seen lost. Your heart, your conscience, your motives. You feel we hate you. No problem. Mama Juma, today one Mama Juma amigos. In fact, I can't go share you. In fact, I can't go share. We are just sitting at home and we are listening radio analysis. People have lost money. That's not a joke. Be arguing is a many times. Now, you will know that now we on your time for now on your door for. It's sad. Sit down. Sit down. As I'm speaking to you, the whole world is going through a reshuffle. The whole world. The whole world. Namibia just got a new president. And she is a woman. First woman president in Namibia. Wimbeck is in jubilation. Now when I saw the woman, I realized that God is doing something. 72-year-old woman. God is doing something. God will take the foolish things of this world and shame the strong. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Yeah. Come down, brafom. As I'm seated here, I should never. Sometimes people speak to me and say, tone down a little bit. You are a good preacher. You can preach things that will excite people. You can preach things that will make people, feel good and all that. And your church will boom and you have 5 services and all that. And then I am asking the king, a priest, and a judge. We are telling you, he is not just the Messiah. Yeah, he is also your soon coming king. When we talk about Jesus, we say, I want to be like Jesus. It is not just, I want to go to heaven. I want to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. I want to be like. So Proverbs chapter 8 verse 33, the Bible said, everything that you will meet in this journey of faith, I want to see idea. It will move. Sienyansa. Munja triti. Sienyansa. Sit down and learn the lessons. I sit down when, when people, gain something, I learn lessons out of it. If they lose something, I learn lessons out of it. I sat down, Tvgh, and I looked at the elections of America, and I clearly sat down and I'm learning lessons. Yeah, President Trump, who have won an elections, on a very landslide margins of victory, was a president before, went to opposition for 4 years, came back. Now, you know what America treated? This is the president who have 2 impeachments. 2 impeachment. If Trump had not won this election, January, he will be on his way to jail. He has a suspended jail sentence on his head. Lessons. When you are hit down, go and sit down and analyze, evaluate. What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? Reflect on your life. It's not just no. Sit down. There are lessons to be learned. Sit back. What went wrong? You lost an election. Yes. Sit back. Was I too proud, too arrogant, too with too strong with apathy? Was I too, too? I'm looking for the word. Don't worry, it's gonna come. It's too dear. Too austere, too complacent, too laid back, too relaxed, too pompous, too whatever. Sit back. You are going to learn lessons. Praise the Lord. Sit back. So the person goes to learn lessons. And then, first lesson that will be learned after evaluation is humility. Come down and humble yourself. There are so many lessons that we can be able to learn. Come down, humble yourself. Now go back and look at the videos of Trump in his first term and look back at the latter part of his campaign. You will see 2 different personalities. You will see a personality where personality who have been able to learn some very good lessons and been able to make some adjustment. Why wouldn't you be humble when God delivered you from assassination attempt, when a bullet went through like this around your ear, when God just turn your head like that and your head missed the bullet? Why will you still be arrogant? Let me tell you, I am not talking about politics. I'm talking about life. Yeah, God has given us all something. The moment we become proud and complacent and pompous and arrogant, talking over everybody, speaking nonsense everywhere, God looks at you and then look at another person who does not qualify like you, who is not beautiful like you, who is not articulate like you, who is not smart like you, and takes what you have, because to whom more is given, a lot more is required, and he that has been given more, he would take away. He that does not have, he would take away, and then he will give to another person. So the Bible is he would take this and give it to that. Have you read the parable of the talents and the parable of the minas? Yeah, he would take from this one and give to the one that had 10 talents, had to come and render accounts that 5 has accrued another 5.
Prophet Kofi Oduro, T. Macron.